Hey guys, with the new update of the WhatsApp, now you can message yourself. Yes, here you can see my own chat. And now I will send few messages to show you it's working. Boom, you will immediately get blue tick because you are reading the messages also. This feature is handy if you want to keep messages for yourself, like writing some important notes, saving web links, or uploading documents and sending voices. So now how you can get it? For that you will need to install the new update of the WhatsApp, which is still in the beta mode. For that, open the Chrome and open this link. I will provide this link in the description of this video. Make sure to download this version 2.22.23.84. When you come to this page, scroll down and here you will get few versions of this update. Just make sure to download the correct version for your phone. If you don't know that, then you can install all these one by one and see which works for you. And after downloading and installing, open the WhatsApp. Now go to the new message. And on top of all the contacts, you will see your number with the mentioning of you. Just tap it. And that's it. Now here you can message yourself and this will be only visible to you. And you will get this update soon via the Play Store. But if you need now, then go to my link to download and use. Plus, with this update, you can use the same WhatsApp number on the multiple devices. If you need that, then watch my video through the iCard or by the link in the description of this video. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.